everyone. So wonderful to have you guys here today. Hope you're ready for these awesome designs. Let's jump right in.
Polish nails with the base color and apply 2 coats of a quick dry top coat. Top coat reduces the time you have to wait before stamping and makes it easier to fix mistakes later if necessary. Then, hold the stamping plate in place of a flat surface and paint the polish over the chosen design. Now, to lift the image from the stamping plate, roll the stamper across the design in one smooth, firm movement. Apply too much and the polish can squish from the grooves. Apply too little and you'll end up with bare spots in the design. Next, press the stamper onto one side of the nail and slowly roll it to the other side to transfer the design. Again, you'll need to work quickly. Within roughly 2 seconds, the polish on the stamper will begin to dry and the design won't transfer completely. Tip: use the sticky side of a piece of tape to remove polish residue from the stamper before continuing. Repeat the process on the rest of the nails. Then, clean up any part of the design that transferred onto the skin. Add a top coat. A top coat adds shine and protects your nails from chipping.
Remember to like this video and let us know your favorite designs in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new. This has been fun. Catch you next time.